everybody, it's Star. Thanks for stopping by today. In this video, I share with you what I ate in a day. And I love to do a tofu scramble because it's quick and easy. So I like to use red and green bell pepper, onion sauteed in grapeseed oil for about 10 minutes. Then I like to use this organic, extra firm tofu. It's easy to work with and it's very convenient. I just slice a few pieces and then I break it apart very easily and then I distribute it to the pan. And it all depends on how much you feel like you're going to eat. This particular day I had enough for about 2 servings, so I had some stored away. But if you're making for more people, just half at it and just do the whole thing. So here, as you can see, I'm just adding in the tofu into the pan, and then I'm going to add some seasonings. My favorite is turmeric, some garlic powder, and some cracked black pepper, and a little bit of sea salt I like to add, and I give that a nice stir. And some plant-based butter. Normally get the Earth Balance butter, but at the time of that grocery store, they didn't have any. But then you want to just add in your spinach and let that saute down. And I love avocado, so avocado added to almost any meal that I eat is always an added bonus. So as you can see, you just put it to the plate, add your avocado, and breakfast is served. Yum, 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 yum. For lunch, I decided to have a plant-based burger, and all the brands that I use will be listed in the description box. I like this brand a lot. It's like, it tastes kind of like beans, but it definitely have like that meaty texture. So I just saute it with some grated garlic and some grapeseed oil. I'm going to be using spinach as well, and I just top that with some onion vinaigrette over some leftover white rice and fresh spinach and tomatoes, and of course I added some hot sauce. It was really good and very quick to make a meal. For dinner, I had pasta, of course. I love, love, love pasta. I had the tomato spinach macaroni blend, and this was like the rotini spiral kind of noodles. And then I added some chickpeas or garbanzo beans, the Goya brand, some chunky sauteed onion and garlic. I'm not a huge fan of the ragu brand, but this one was actually pretty good. I sauteed some kale down in water to get it nice and soft before mixing, and I boiled the pasta as normal for about 10-15 minutes. Added the chickpeas and the tomatoes, let that simmer down before I added in the tomato sauce, and then you want to kind of like simmer that for another 5 minutes or so just to get the flavors mixing well together. And then the kale also was still getting soft, and it was just a nice blend. The pasta pretty much rose, and you mix it all up in a pot, and there you have it. And I never really eat pasta like right when it's done. I like to let it sit for about half hour to an hour to let all the flavors marinate together. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to you joining me again in my future videos. So please like, comment, and subscribe. That way you would never miss a video upload. And you can follow me on my social media Instagram platform where I post a lot of other choices before they hit YouTube. And I'll love to talk to you soon.